In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a linked privacy policy consent in Typeform. Getting a clear privacy acknowledgement inside your form is essential for transparency and compliance, and Typeform makes it straightforward using its legal question. First, log into your Typeform account. Once you're in, open the form you're currently working on from your workspace. That will take you into the form editor where you can add and adjust questions. Take a moment to confirm you're editing the correct form, so your changes go exactly where you expect. In the editor, look for the Add Content option and select it to open the question types. From here, choose the legal question. If you don't see it immediately, use the search bar in the picker to find Legal. This question type is purpose-built for consent and typically requires respondents to actively agree before they can submit, which is exactly what you want for policies and terms. It also records a clear yes or no response, helping you keep clean, auditable data. With the legal question added, you'll see fields for the main label and for a description. Keep your main label concise, then use the description to capture the exact consent text. Type a clear statement such as, "I have read and agree to the privacy policy." Plain direct language helps respondents understand what they're agreeing to, and it reads well on both desktop and mobile. Avoid adding marketing copy here. Keep it strictly about consent. Now make the policy easy to access. In that same description, highlight the words privacy policy. When they're selected, click the link icon in the editing toolbar. Paste your full policy URL, including the HTTPS prefix, so the link works reliably across devices and browsers. Confirm the link and you'll see the text turn into a clickable link right in your form. Using descriptive link text like privacy policy is better for accessibility than click here, and it looks cleaner than pasting a long URL into the sentence. A couple of quick tips as you finalize this section. Keep the consent statement specific to your organization's policies. Ensure the link points to the most current version of your policy, and avoid abbreviations or legal jargon that could confuse respondents. If your policy changes, return to this question and update the link so it always reflects the latest information. That's it. You logged in, opened your form, added content, inserted a legal question, wrote a clear consent statement in the description, and linked the words privacy policy to your full policy URL. With this in place, your respondents get clarity, and you capture a consistent, explicit record of consent right inside Typeform.